What's up, people of YouTube? This is another watch list. Thank you for checking in. Watch list for Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023. All right. First on the list today, BLRX. BLRX is Bioline RX Limited, 73 cents a share. Today boosted up 16.9%. with relative volume coming in 3.84 cents, daily trade range, and $45 million market cap. Announcement is they're working with, this is BLRX, working with Washington University to evaluate possibilities of gene therapies for sickle cell disease. And on the chart here, you can see we have a gap to fill between 110 and $1.41 a share. Relative volume boosted. Volatility boosted. Volume stepping in here as a claim on the 50-day moving average came in strong. BLRX. PRQR. Next up, $3.77 a share. Today they gassed it up about 15.4%. Relative volume came in at 3.3, 25 cents daily trade range, $261 million market cap for PRQR. The news is on March 14th, they won the patent. They've won an important patent for RNA editing, which is what they do. And I guess that's positive news for them, so they're going to be able to get some of the flows off of that. Next on the list, DAKT, coming in at $5.29 a share. $7.74, 7.7% increase in the stock today. Jeez, I'm tired. If you can't hear me yawning. Relative volume on the scale at 2.4. We got the average trading range, 24 cents. Market cap, $241 million. DAKT. Previously on the list before, claimed the 200-week moving average, but this is an earning continuation move for DAKT. Next up, couldn't make a list without having this on here. FRC, First Republic Bank, $14.35 a share. Today they increased approximately 29.4%. Relative volume came in 2.1. Currently, the average trade range is about $12.33 per day. Today they moved about $3.50. Which if I took the adjustments for the ATR and tweaked them a little bit, I'm sure I could get a different type of reading here, because I don't think that would be their current or their regular type of average trading day, which in my opinion would be something like maybe $1 or $2 or something max for FRC before all this. But anyways, news is they're hiring a bunch of more advisors like McKinsey and something with a L, and they're already working with JP Morgan. I was thinking Iron Condor on this stock, ? But maybe debit spreads, both sides. I don't know. Do what you will. Have fun. Also on the list, related to the situations going on with banking, UBS. UBS is moving firmly off of its low bottom here, spiking back up really quickly. And this is something I'm looking for to happen with Schwab, actually. Here you go. Something like this, possibly for Schwab, is what I'm expecting as well. I mean, that stock shot up, straight back up towards those moving averages. And Schwab, relatively unrelated to the situation compared to UBS. But so yeah, expecting something like that out of Schwab. Kind of biased, of course, but is what it is. All right, next up, CATX, CATX, Perspective Therapeutics, 65 cents. Give or take, they're about 60 cents here after market. 60 to 62, we'll call it. Relative volume came in 0.8, and today their increase was 3.4% up. 5 cents. Daily trade range, $188 million market cap for CATX. Pharmalogic partnership comes in for them. They are going to be working on developing and producing cancer care theranostics. If I said that right. I don't know what theranostics are, but it sounds like some type of heat treatment. Good luck with it because people need it. God bless them. CTLP. Next on the list, previously on the list before, CTLP's at $5.65. Today they increased 4.2%, coming in with relative volume of 3.428 cents. Daily trade range, $409 million market cap. And that's CTLP. Previously on the list, they're just bouncing firmly here off of the 50-day moving average. You just like to see it, and looked at it before, so of course it was noticeable a second time in my head. Curiosity struck me, I should say. Next up, Nike, NKE. Nike had earnings after hours today, currently at $122.76 a share. As of the close, Nike was up 3.6% on the day. It looks like they might be up a bit less than that, like maybe like 1 or a little less than 1% possibly when they open. Give or take. I don't know exactly. I'm not going to do the math. But anyways, Nike did good on earnings. Earnings per share beat by 25 cents. And sales beat by 1 billion. Awesome, because I'm playing Lulu for a gap fill here. And Nike just killed their earnings. So maybe Lulu will kill their earnings too. And we can get some kind of a gap fill play in for Lulu. Also, Nike sympathy play for Lulu. Next up, Dollar Tree, DLTR. Dollar Tree is at $140.98 a share. Today they're down 0.07, almost not at all down. And relative volume came in at 0.6 today. Average trading range, $3.86, $31.1 billion market cap. Coming in with volume and volatility increasing kind of heavily here off of the bottom. May be claiming the 50-day moving average next, in my opinion, is a possibility. And that's Dollar Tree. Keurig Dr. Pepper is next on the list today. KDP, currently at $35.15 a share. Today they basically didn't move as well, down 0.2%. Relative volume was 0.8. Average trading range 54 cents per day. Market cap $49.4 billion for Keurig Dr. Pepper, KDP. Volatility is popping for sure. And they announced today they're affirming their 2023 guidance. Continuing on strong. Claim on the 50-day moving average here, in my opinion, is possible for retest back up towards 36, give or take. All right, next up, PANW. Palo Alto Networks is $194.30 a share. I was expecting a gap fill down, but it decided to break out up and continue higher. Awesome. Love to see it. I was completely wrong, but hey, at least you know that you were wrong, and maybe this is going to be setting up for a play to the upside then. I don't know. It's tough to say. I'm not going to hold conviction on this stock. I'm just watching it, really. So I don't care if I'm wrong in most cases. I try to be a lot more strategic with my trades the day of, making sure to pick the ones I really want, not just pick something blindly overnight. Okay, PANW, PANW, relative volume is low today, negative, actually 0.1. Average trading range $4.95, $58.8 billion market cap. It's just a chart play. And that's the last one on the list for Wednesday's watch list. Have a good Tuesday night if you actually catch it tonight. Otherwise, we'll see you on tomorrow's watch list and get ready for Thursday. Have a good Wednesday. Have a good trading day. Take it easy. Thank you very much for checking in. Peace.